welcome back to Paisley's Life in the Garden. Today we're going to be planting our chives, our marigolds, and we're going to hear Carmen in the background, and our bee balm. I like my gardener seeds. I order from them. I also order from Baker's Creek. If you're in zone 6B, this week you should also be planting your garlic. It is ready to be outside. They are cold-hearted. They're ready for frost. That's okay. And they can handle it. So today I've already got our dirt ready. I'm only going to be planting 4 cells of each. Also, you can see that our thyme is just starting to pop up. And then our parsley is doing very well. And our onions are doing very well. Now if you notice the brown stuff, that is cinnamon. Well, why would we put cinnamon in our flower planting? Because it keeps the mold down. Also, what keeps the mold down is having good airflow. So I also have a fan blowing that also keeps your plants from going leggy, keeps their stems good and strong. So while I get these ready and start planting, I'm going to let you watch this wonderful little clip of our weekend events of Carmen's 3rd birthday. Alright, who's ready for the birthday cake?
Alright, everybody sing happy birthday. Oh, sing happy birthday. Go sing happy birthday. Ready? We're going to sing happy birthday. Get over here out of the way. Ready? Very. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karmen. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow your candles out.
Oh, I like that 3 though, Lisa. That's so cute.
Whoa. There you go. Good girl.
Alright.
Alright, come on, Kristen, back out of the way until they get stuff ready.
You did a good
You want
job. Wasn't that just precious? We're getting ready to go ahead and do our wild bee balm. And I want to read a little bit about this to you. It's a wild flower. It's a unique part of the mint family. It has a variety of uses. It is deliciously fragrant and a favorite for the bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, which is one of the reasons that I plant. It also has essential oil properties, and it creates captivating perfumes. The flowers are formed by clusters of tubular petals and shades of scarlet, pink, and salmon. The leaves taste minty, and the flowers are fragrant and spicy. So to harvest this, you would harvest the bee balm plant in the morning after the dew has passed. You can gather the stalks to hang dry, using a dehydrator for the stems and leaves, and allow the leaves to dry for a crisp tea. So the seeds are very, very small. I don't know if you can see those or not. They're really, really tiny. So we're just going to barely top them on the top and push them down a little bit. And you're only going to sprinkle a couple in each. That way you can almost guarantee that you're going to have sprouts in about 7 to 10 days. I had pre-moistened my soil, so that will help with that. And the soil that I'm using is the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. So we have that. And then we'll also be Carmen is happy this morning. We'll also be making sure that we mark those plants so that we know that what is in each one so we don't forget. And next we're going to be planting our common chives. You're going to plant these about 1/8 of an inch deep, just lightly cover. They're a mild onion flavor. They're excellent for many dishes. They're great raw or cooked, and they have lavender flowers. You want to keep your seeds consistently moist until the germination. Then you're going to set outside around the last frost date of spring, or direct seed in the garden about the same time. So as you can see, we've got our little tags here so that we don't forget what we put in each one. And then I'm going to sprinkle a couple in each. These seeds are a little bit bigger, so when you put them in, you just kind of cover them up very gently. You don't have to press them down or anything, but I do just a little bit just to kind of let the seed have contact with the soil. There we go, and there's the chives. We're doing our marigolds. These are also companion plants that help keep some of the bugs that we don't want in our garden from eating our plant. This is my first year planting marigolds, so we'll see how that turns out. I also wanted to experiment because you know I like to experiment. These are made by American Seed. I got them at the Dollar Tree, so we're going to see how those work. And as you can see, I've already planted some. If you can see that or not. I'm going to push those down about 1/4 of an inch of a deepness, and then we're going to cover them lightly. Just enough so that they can contact with the soil and that water and have a very good start. And then again, there's your tag, so you know that where everything is. We do have a red chili pepper that popped up. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's hard. I'm doing this on my phone today, so it'll be a little bit different. And then if you notice also in the background, we have an onion in water. That's also another experiment that we're doing to see what will happen with that. We've read a lot about people doing these kind of little things and see how that works out. And for my birthday this year, my brother and my sister-in-law brought me over this little flag for my little garden here. So a lot going on this weekend. It's been a very, very busy weekend. We also decided to dehydrate. And that is mandarin oranges. Karmen loves dehydrated snacks, so I like to make her those every once in a while. She just finished up her bananas. She really likes those, so. Well, my friends, that's all that we have for this week, and I hope that you had a wonderful week and that you're enjoying the sunshine that we're able to get this week. Hopefully it stays this way. And please, if you will, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, share, share, share. Have a blessed week.